What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Zendesk CRM or Customer Relationship Management platform and how you can use it and what are its benefits to increase your sales and grow your business. So to get to their homepage, that's zendesk.com/sell, and you'll be redirected to their main homepage right here. Now, they offer you some benefits such as you can boost your team productivity, so you can interact or collaborate with your team members here, as well as delivering better customer experience through customer relationship management or customer interaction, as well as getting full pipeline visibility, so you can view all your pipeline steps, all your workflow steps here, and some other benefits. So here, when you scroll down here, you can see some statistics, some pricing here. You can see their plans. You have the Sell Team, which is for $19 a month, and the Sell Growth, $55 per month. The Sell Professional, which is the most popular, for $115 a month, and the Sell Enterprise for $169 a month. You can go ahead and click here to view plans and pricing. We'll do so in a second. And now some testimonials, some reviews, some companies that trust them. Now let's take a look at the plans and pricing. And here, if we switch to these are the prices for the annual plan, of course, per month billed annually. If you switch to monthly plans, the prices are a bit higher. And here, of course, the prices will increase depending on number of agents. So let's say 10 agents. As you can see here, the prices now say it's $215 per month per 10 agents, because this is the price per agent per month. Of course, if you pay annually, it'll be less and you can save some money. Now here you can compare the benefits and features of each plan to know which one is best suited for your business. So it's a long list, elaborative and detailed list here to compare the benefits in details of each plan. Now let's start a free trial right now. Or of course, if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. So what's my first name? Okay, next. What's your last name? And then next. Okay, what's my work email? So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my work email. Okay, next. Now my phone number. Okay, next. And then what does my company do for work? Let's say I'm in the education industry. Okay, next. How many employees do you have? Let's say 1 to 9. Select language, English. Lastly, I need to create a password. So I'm going to enter a strong password right here. Okay, and then complete the trial sign up. And once I do, I need here to verify my email to access my main dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead to my inbox and verify my email pretty quickly. And after a few moments, I'm asked again some questions to customize my trial. So how do you ever set up a customer support solution? Now I'm new to this. How do you want people to reach you? Let's say chat, phone, email, anything that you like. Well, who do you help? Let's say consumers or B2C, business to consumer. If you are helping business, or B2B, here employees, or B2E if you want to. Okay, how many agents will use Zendesk? Let's say 1 to 3. When do you plan to launch? As soon as possible. Okay, continue, or you can even skip here these questions. So let's continue. Now that we've answered them, I don't want to click on no thanks. Okay, for some reason, looks like there is an error with my confirmation or with my account here. For security, contact Zendesk customer support. They'll help verify your account and get you on the way. So if I click on get help right here. Okay, I was immediately locked. They give you like some reasons for this issue and the resolution step here. So I need to contact their customer support here in order to verify my account and continue using the trial. So if I click here on Zendesk customer support, I can go ahead and know how to reach them and continue with filing like a support issue, and they'll help me get to my account. Now let's try signing in with our newly created email and password. Okay, I'll enter my email password right here. So it looks like there is an error on the website since it doesn't want even to sign in. So let's close this tab and let's go back to the home screen. Okay, let's here they even got my dashboard ready. However, I stuck in the step of confirming my email address. I did verify it, and when I tried to resend the verification email, it says here they are not able to send the email. So probably, as I told you, there is something wrong with the website. However, let's go ahead back to the home page and then check on further benefits and further features. Here, okay, sell. Okay, enter. So leave this. And here we are in the home page. So we did already show the pricing here, and we have two categories, Zendesk for service and Zendesk for sales. Let's show Zendesk for sale. Here you have the plans that I showed you. Now in the solutions here, you have solutions for enterprise, for small and medium businesses, and for startups. So no matter what size of business you are or you have, you will find solutions or fund features and benefits that will increase or grow your business even more. Here you have employee experience, industries, and conversational CRM. So let's take a look at the solutions for startup businesses. Okay, and here you are redirected to Zendesk Startup Program, which is a program built for growth to grow your business even more. And here you can scroll down to learn more about it, see the benefits, see the features, and everything. Now let's take a look at the solutions for enterprise, which are big businesses, and you'll be redirected to Zendesk Enterprise. Okay, so here you can view all the benefits and all the features that are available for you as an enterprise business owner. And here you can see all the benefits, all the features that are available for you as an enterprise or big business owner. And the same way, let's take a look at the small and medium businesses. And you'll be redirected to SMB or small medium businesses. And you'll see here all the benefits and all the features that will benefit your business here. Now you can ask for a demo or schedule a demo, and they'll show you exactly how it works and they'll explain it to you. And here in the products, you have Zendesk for service, Zendesk for sales, Sunshine Platform, and Marketplace. We want to focus in this video on Zendesk for sale as we were seeing right here. However, you can go ahead and view their other products and see if they are worth your investment as well. So if we go to Zendesk for service, you'll be redirected to zendesk.com/service, and you can see all the benefits here for your like customer service provided by Zendesk. And here you have all your resources, blog, events and webinars, community, partners, customer stories, and other things. And of course, you can go ahead and start your free trial from here, as we were trying to do or attempting to do, and it didn't work. And sign in here if you do already have an account. So this was like a quick overview of the Zendesk Sell platform and its different benefits and features for your business.